I'll guide you through the exact steps to send sponsored snaps on Snapchat, including the setup in Ads Manager, the mandatory eligibility rules, and the secret to using AI auto responses to close sales while you sleep. If you're ready, click the subscribe button and let's get started. First, we need to understand why sponsored snaps are the goldmine. Unlike standard story ads that people can skip with a thumb flick, a sponsored snap sits at the top of the chat feed as an unread message. It doesn't send a push notification, which helps avoid annoyance, but it stays there until the user chooses to engage. Statistics from early 2026 show that because these snaps feel like a message from a friend, they drive a 14% higher unique converter rate. For creators and brands, this is the only way to ensure your content reaches your most valuable followers without relying on an algorithm. Before you rush to Ads Manager, there are 3 hard rules you must meet. 1. Public profile requirement. Your ad account must be linked to a verified public profile with a profile photo. If your profile is blank or unlinked, the chat feed placement will simply be grayed out. 2. The no offer restriction. Interestingly, Snapchat's new policy prohibits specific hard sell offer codes like Save 50 directly in the initial Snap headline to keep the feed from looking like a coupon book. 3. Geographic limits. Currently, sponsored snaps are not available in the European Union due to privacy regulations. If your target audience is in the US, UK, or Canada, you're good to go. But EU campaigns will automatically default back to story placements. To send your first sponsored snap, head into Snapchat Ads Manager and create a new campaign. Under Objective, you can choose awareness, engagement, or sales. Once you get to the ad set level, look for placements. New rules state that you cannot target the chat feed alone. It must be paired with at least one other placement like user stories or creator stories. This ensures your brand has a presence elsewhere before you knock on the door of their inbox. For your creative, you'll need a 9:16 vertical video or image. Keep your headline between 24 to 28 characters. Spark curiosity without sounding like a robot. The AI auto response hack is where tech gets wild, the message design section. In Ads Manager, after you upload your snap, you'll see optional fields for a branded chat background and an auto response. If you enable the auto response, you can set a 500-character text or even a video that triggers the moment a user replies to your sponsored snap. Finally, if you're a creator, you need to know about pre-approved creator permissions. Brands can now send an invite to your public profile through the Creator Marketplace. Once you accept, the brand can run sponsored snaps that show your name as the sender instead of the brand's name. These creator-led sponsored snaps are performing significantly better because they look 100% organic. If you're looking to monetize your channel, turning on the brand partnership toggle in your settings is the fastest way to get discovered by high-intent brands ready to pay for access to your fans' inboxes. Before you launch, remember, don't spam. The chat feed is a private space, and if you send low-quality content, users will clear from feed, which lowers your account's trust score for future campaigns. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.